Sorry I'm late, guys. Horrible. You guys like the movie?
It was great.
All right. Well, we got to buckle up before we head out. You guys good back there?
Yes, sir.
How about you? We good?
Nah.
Come on, son. I need to get you to belt
I
up.
want to sleep, man. The belt's gonna like it's gonna bother my neck.
What would Mom say if I brought you home and you had only one arm?
I don't know.
Well, let's put it on. Let's make Mom happy, okay?
Okay,
All
man.
right, I'm proud of you, man. Appreciate that. Thanks. All right.
Hey girl,
What's up?
is everybody buckled up?
Yes.
No, it's good. It's only 10 minutes.
Okay.
That team is trash.
I agree. Horrible.
What team?
Horrible. The Jets.
Jets? Oh, you
Jets?
gotta be kidding me.
Yeah.
They're one of the best.
Hey,
Whoa! Oh, you all right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my God! Good thing you were wearing your belts. Look at that one out there.
Ooh.
Oh,
You know what? Thank you.
you all right?
No,
Thank
my
you.
I
neck
appreciate it.
Where do you guys want to go eat?
Feeling chilly?
Oh